Google has accidentally leaked the pre-order date for the Pixel 5, with it slated for October 8. We suspect such a date could also be the release date for the upcoming Google phone. As per display, a new rumor claims the Pixel 5 6.67-inch screen will also feature a 120Hz refresh rate. Along with the Pixel 4 release, Google confirmed the Pixel 5 and Pixel 4a 5G are coming later this fall. The latter phone would likely replace the XL version of the Pixel in Google's phone lineup. Some of the first rumors about the Pixel 5's screen have started to emerge. Like the Pixel 4, it's likely the new phone will feature an OLED panel with Full HD resolution, or QHD if you're looking at the Pixel 4 XL. The Pixel 4 featured a 90Hz refresh rate, though Google could have bigger things in mind for the Pixel 5. Specifically, the Pixel 5 could feature a 120Hz refresh rate, matching phones like the Galaxy S20 lineup. That rumor comes from Ross Young of Display Supply Chain Consultants, who pegs the screen size at 6.67 inches. That would make the Pixel 5 the largest phone Google's ever made. Google has been remarkably consistent with when it rolls out its new Pixel flagships. The Pixel 4 debuted at an October 15 event last year, before shipping 9 days later. That was a week later than the announcement and launch of the Pixel 3 in 2018. So we'd look at early to mid-October for the Google Pixel 5 release. Google Pixel 5's price climbed toward that $650 starting point that the Galaxy S20 and iPhone 11 Pro have both reached. Google Pixel 5 cameras. While we were thrilled with the results we got from the Pixel 4, when testing that phone's two rear cameras, there's one noticeable feature missing. Compared with other top flagships, the Pixel 4 doesn't have a wide-angle lens, though that could be changing with the Google Pixel 5. The CAD render of the Pixel 5 that's been the source of so much speculation over Google's upcoming phone shows off 3 lenses on the back of the phone. Presumably, that's a wide-angle camera joining the standard and telephoto lens already found on Google's phones. Beyond the basic focal lengths, there are no rumors yet on the precise specifications for any of the lenses. That camera app update in Android 11 that has people speculating about the lack of a Pixel 5 XL model also contains hints on new photo features coming to the Pixel phones. They include a motion blur mode for taking action shots, an audio zoom feature that focuses audio on whatever subject you're recording a video of, an adjustable camera flash, and more sharing options for video. As per performance here, Snapdragon 865 will be expected and RAM 6GB, ROM 128. Battery. The Pixel 5 could add another welcome power management feature if data found by XDA developers in an Android 11 developer preview is accurate. That leak claims that the Pixel 5 will support reverse wireless charging, allowing Google's phone to charge other Qi-compatible devices simply by placing them on the back of the phone. So these is big update from Google, so share this video and don't forget to like, subscribe. Let me know your opinion and comment below. See you in next video. Have a great day.